Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Mark. Yeah, very good. Hi, guys. Landon with Worm in the dyno booth at Central Texas Harley-Davidson. This is our 131 bike that Worm just finished up. We're extremely happy with what we have found so far. We came in at 130 horse and 139 foot-pounds of torque. The torque maxed out roughly at 4,000 RPM. Extremely happy with it. I'll let Worm go through the build with you and explain to you guys what he found.
As far as everything that Harley sent with the new 131 kit, super simple due to the fact you still get to keep your OEM factory
Warranty.
OEM factory warranty, and we did use the S&S head bolts on it. But other than that, I mean, everything was cut and dry and smooth.
So what we like about the kit is the numbers that we've got so far, 130 and 139. We're happy with that. We're happy with the fact that this bike will carry a full Harley warranty. Now the stuff that we're not happy with, we think it should have adjustable push rods in it. And the placement of the Smart Tune, you do have to drill the bungs out to get the wideband O2 sensors in it. So that is something that was kind of a pain in the butt. Something that also came in at the very end of the widebands. You're on the tranny side or in the rear cylinder, you're going to be right up against the tranny cover, and in the front it's right up against the case. Not a big fan of that. You know, Harley does need to either relocate the bungs or give us I think a different angle if they're going to leave them in the same spot. Would put the end of the O2 sensors in a better placement, just so it's not up against something hot. Other than that, you know, the fact you can keep the warranty, the fact that we jumped up quite a bit in the numbers, I'm very, very happy with. So overall, so far, I'm really pleased with the numbers that we've got right now. You know, I couldn't ask for anything more with the tuning setup that we are limited to keep it under the EPA standards. I'm good with it. Yeah, I'm good with it. So if this is something that you're interested in, guys, oh, by the way, on the original video that I shot, or that we shot, I mentioned that it had a 515 cam in it. It actually has a 517 cam, so I want to make that correction. But if you are interested in this build, we'd be happy to do one for you. Right now we have them on hand, ready to go, going around $6,200 installed. So give us a call down here at Central Texas, 512-652-1200.
Where all your dreams can come true.
Listen to Worm. Thank you.